Now come for the using of electromagnets. Electromagnets are used in many domestic and industrial devices. They are used for lifting, sorting, and moving metal objects as well as for recording information. For an electromagnet to do a useful job, it needs to produce a very strong magnet field. As you know that it is required to make a very strong magnet field. So a strong magnet field can be produced if there is inner core is of electricity. This is the inner core that will produce the electric charge. There is wound a coil on the inner core, and there is an outer core that is also made of iron or made of steel. So these both two are strong magnet electromagnets. Electromagnets have a coil of copper wire wound tightly around the iron core. It is consisted of copper wire that is wound on the iron core. Using of iron in the core makes the magnet 2000 times stronger. If we wound a copper core around the iron bar, it will make it 2000 times strong. And the same solenoid with nothing but the air in the core, this is nothing if it is empty but the air. But when it's the supply of electricity, when this is nothing, it is just the iron core, and here is the electromagnet. When the supply the charge is given to this electromagnet, it will give the charge to this core also. But there are some good and things over here also. When the current is in the coil is switched on, the magnetic field of the solenoid magnetizes the iron, which has much stronger magnetic field than the solenoid on its own. Solenoid has no electric field, but it will give the iron more stronger field when it is switched on. There is another advantage. When the switch is off, then it will instantly lose the charge. The magnetic coil that is made of copper wire, it will soon very quickly lose the charge. Another advantage of using iron is that the core loses its magnetism as soon as the current is turned off. Iron is a soft magnet material, as you know. Electromagnets can also be used to separate soft magnetic metals like iron and steel from non-magnetic metals like copper and aluminium. They are also used in many other devices such as loudspeakers, relays, circuit breakers, and electric motors. Inside a loudspeaker, Inside a loudspeaker, there is little electromagnetic that is also covered with cover. Have you ever observed your hand freeze earpiece? Have you ever broke that, yeah, or any wasted? So you have observed that there is a little magnet ring, and inside that a magnetic field that is covered with coil. So see what's the functioning of that. Inside a loudspeaker is a permanent magnet shaped like a cylinder. This produces a strong magnetic field. Within this magnetic field is a coil attached to the paper cone. An amplifier in your radio or mobile phone sends and here is an amplifier that sends out an electric current which moves forward and backward quickly to the coil. The coil pushes and pulls on the permanent magnet, making the coil move, and moving and out is so that it vibrates. These vibrations travel through your ears, which detect them as in the form of sound. A relay is switch controlled by an electromagnet. It is used as small current to switch on a separate circuit which may carry a much larger current. Here is a diagram that shows a relay. used to turn on the starter of motor car. This is a switch that is used to start a motor car. When the ignition switch is turned on, the electromagnetic pulls on an iron lever. This closes the contacts in the relay, allowing the much larger current flow start a motor. So if the larger current flow through the wires, the ignition switch, it would be melt them. A circuit breaker. What is the function of circuit breaker? Have you ever seen there are the circuit breakers in our homes? So what is the function of that circuit breakers? When the current flows in a very high quantity, when there is much current that is flowing, and that can cause the burning of electric appliances, destroying of electric appliances, so we apply circuit breakers in our homes, so that if there is much flow of current, so these breakers take apart. So when these breakers remove from that, so they can stop the flow of the current, so that can save our electric appliances. A circuit breaker is an automatic safety device found in many homes. If a current in a circuit gets too high, the circuit breaker cuts it off. An electric current flows through two contacts and also through the electromagnet. A spring is trying to pull the contact apart. Here are some springs. This is the flow, this is the required current, and there is an electromagnet coil. But there is an iron bar here, that this is an iron cage bar that stops them from separating, stops it from separating. If the currents get too high, the electromagnet gets stronger, pulls the iron bar. When it will become strong, the electric current becomes too much, it will be pull this bar. When this bar is pulled and release the catch, this iron catch will become released. The spring pulls the contacts apart. The spring will bring the contact apart, and then the current will be switched off. After reading these topics very carefully, you are able to give the answers on the page number 56. Storing information using magnetism. How can magnetism store information? Magnetism has become very important in the modern world. Store information. It is used, as you know, to record sound on iPods, pictures, and all these devices. Here is a magnet card that can store the information. You can see this magnet card as a SIM card, as an ATM card, on your ID card, in your mobile phone as memory card, and USB drive.